Yo! What's up, vlog? Today, we've got the rigs. Ooh, let me go 0.5 for the one time. Well, why are your controls so difficult? Nope. Okay. So, what are we doing over here today? New tie rods and new sway bar bushes. All links. All provided by Superior Engineering. God, this makes you look really tan.
I just engineering tan.
Progressing away over here. Oh, I was doing this before, but you know, we've got Toyota. We don't like that thing. Toyota. Fuck your Mini Cooper. Fuck your Mini Cooper. Fuck your Mini Cooper. How about that? Now over here, the old 1HZ working a bit too hard, towing a trailer up the Nevis,
like your diff.
and it blew my diff seals. So very kindly, 80 series mastermind William Koch. Oh shit, I'll get PG violated. Sorry. That's actually his last name, guys, so don't ban me, YouTube. I've got the axles out. They look alright. They got a few hot spots on them, as you can see. Whoa, your zoom is good. Got a few hot spots on them, but nothing too tragic. So now we've got everything out. Oh, this side still needs a clean. Gonna pop my diff housing off. Put a bit of goodness. Put a new gasket. And yeah, we will status update shortly.
Oh, sway bar the new.
They're tight.
Oh, they're fucking tight, yeah. We're gonna need a swivel socket for this one.
Cougar told me off for using the swivel socket.
Oh, can't say it.
Yep. Gosh, bro. PG van. Shout out King Chrome, sponsor us.
No! Need that long.
60 FPS. Chosen. Oh. By the way, guys, I ran into Tony and Bell's GU the other day at night and day. They were very intimidating. I didn't want to ask for a photo.
You missed action.
Just two guys working on cars.
Now we need to zip tie that out of the way.
Quick, Cougar, zip ties my boot.
Another looker. I'll tell you what, did you actually try tying up these bolts first before we did all this?
No.
Because these top two are very loose, and you said it was leaking at the top, right?
Yeah. Top right.
Yeah, that's funny. Probably did all this for nothing.
What? Are you being for real? So guys, we have now found out the leak source is potentially the fact that the two top housing bolts on the diff were actually loose. So we may have taken apart my entire front end.
All because someone doesn't want to check the tightness of their bolts. There's this guy.
That guy over there. Hey, go! Come here, Elsa!
A bit easier.
Still slightly pitching on it, you know. There we go.
Oh god. Oh fuck.
And then my alignment's gonna be off.
Delete that clip. Look at it. God damn.
Sure.
Look at it.
I'll give her a good clean.
Oh, it's different. Yeah. Great.
Right. Diff housing off.
Look, oh, a bug's gone in there.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh well.
We're gonna end here for one wild ride, bug.
Back here. lean as a whistle. I saw all the fucking lock tags still on it too. That's good.
Alright, I'll give it a clean.
Got a wee update here. Luke's still going at the housing, shipping the gasket up, and yep, not safety certified there.
Thank you.
Whoa! Over here with the young cougs, doing a wee homemade wheel alignment, just so that way you can make it to the wheel alignment system, get it all calculated and run down and dialed. And then if you look up here, oh, check out that shiny. Got the sway bar links in. Oh, it's got issues. Guys, we're back. We just realised he's got the bolts around the wrong way on the clamps. Oh, bugger. But check out how shiny it is. Look at that aftermarket silver.
Should I change it around?
Oh, maybe. It might clash with some other components. I'm not too sure. Your IFS setup. Anyway, sort that out. Get that done under here. Get up there. Good old Hilux. Luke's still chipping away. Old gasket all yucky and stuck.
Can you give me some paper towels?
He wants some paper towels. Grab them. CV's out. Clean up here a bit. Bang some new grease in the hubs. Oh, I've got to get that gasket off too. We've also got to clean up our diff housing in there. Give a bit of zoom for you. Right, check it out. Nice and oily. Oh, Moe, is it a King Crab? Wow! Alright, we're back with a wee update here. He just forgot to do his wheel straight when he took his rods off, so now it's a bit wonky. So what do you want, the wheel straight?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not straight at all, is it? Left or right?
The should be straight up.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know if this guy. Quite easy. Alright, what's over here, mate? Doing a wee clean, are we?
I've been hailed brake cleaner. Is a big chunk of gasket.
Ooh, big axle, mate. Oh, check that out. Yuck.
What?
Yeah, that's why you poured water on here.
Hey.
Bit more over here. This is also wrong, don't do this, guys. Put on that, we'll see what it's looking like. Oh. You tell me, mate. Yeah, pretty straight. Who got the grinder to this, huh? Nice and shiny, blend in good. Yeah, that one's a bit. It's about straight there, and she's well off. No, well, just don't do the clamps. Here on the 80 series axles, on Luke's ones, this is the wee problem we ran into at the start. If you look here, it's on the shorty end side. Struggled to get the flange off a bit just because it looks like it's over torqued here. At some point, bit of power to the wheels and she's just warped in a bit. Probably still running with it.
Right foot.
You don't got much right foot on that thing.
Oh, I do. It's all the way down with the
Not quite. You see there, just the torque kind of spun out a bit. Should be right though. Slam it back in. That one's burnt. Yeah. Little wee update here, Luke's just cleaning away over here. Getting the filthy stuff done, slowly cleaning through. This guy, I've got a centre of steering wheel, so we're trying to figure out where the centre is for his wheel alignment. Got the old
high-tech diagnostic tool out. You can see how that bit of ChatGPT does the job though. Alright, we'll just get done Cougar's temporary wheel alignment. Not too shabby. Got to clean up the rest of the parts here. We lost Luke to the huzz, but the job will get done. Wish us luck. What's up, guys? We're just at the wheel alignment right now. Oh no, mate. Got the purple turns. Wheel alignment, how's it looking? Front straight.
Probably better than Bluestone.
Holy moly. Don't come to us.
They made our steering
Whoa, check that out. The wheels are aligned, driving good. Yeah. Food run, parts run, let's go. Shout out Luke for this absolute feast of chicken ice creams.
Yeah, look at that.
Check that out. Oh, chicken ice cream down. Oh, I've got to get the contrast on that. Oh yeah, check that out.
Bro, it tastes like chicken.
Oh, I wonder why. Got the
Oh, fuck, and check the contrast on that side. It's got no bone.
lift Fanta, crazy. No sugar left in iced tea. Couple of greases and a brake cleaner. What you get?
Pretty much the same thing as you.
Paper baby, and paper towels. Shout out Luke, good lad. Alright, here's a bit of an update. Started to rain, which isn't ideal. Got out of the gazebo. Got the camo, you know, protected from intruders. Got all the goods down here still. Workstation. Undercover. Start on this side, go over to the next side. Got just move the gazebo as we go. Got the diff back in. Nuts and bolts done up. Just got to put the drive shaft back on, obviously. Apart from that, we'll crack into this hubs. Get this cool tarp set up for this fella over here. Sort that out. We'll be dreaming. Oh. The wrong CV and the wrong side. Like, why is it not cooking into a different kind of sunflower in? Good. Yeah, that's well on it. Oh, what? Oh, let's go shut it down. I need to see something. Oh, thank you. Bye. Let me go. Let me go. Don't encourage it. Sweet, as you just seen, got the spindle back on, got the dust cover for the brakes and the seals and all that jazz back on here. Haven't bothered cleaning up too much because screw this guy. And gonna go around, just nip these bolts up. I think it's like 47 newton meters. torque that sucker down, put the brake rotor back on, repack the front wheel bearing because it was just a bit gross and all the wheel bearing grease is still fine in there. And then after that, yeah, reassemble this side back together. Then I'm going to move the bloody gazebo, push it over to the other side so I can get to the other side, put the drive shaft back on. That's about it, eh? Oh, of course, brake rotors too. Then nip up the wheel bearings. That should be sweet. Alright, we update. Finished up this side, got a bit carried away. Just started on this side over here now. It's got the, we got dust cover back on, brake rotor, and all the seals. We just slap the brake rotor back on, get a bit of a polish up.
Welcome back to the weekend of worrisome worships. As you can see, the guys went pretty hard last night. Got the camo gazebo bolted into the ground. My car is back together, courtesy of William Locke, and has an awesome diff painting, courtesy of Cougar Bryant. Speaking of Cougar Bryant, he went and did some few too many Tokyo drifts last night, and now his brake cylinders are leaking. Imagine having drum brakes in the big 25. Wouldn't know about that. Will's car, knocking highlights, broken highlights.
Alright, doing the diff breathers on Luke sucker. Just front and rear. Factory trans and shit already go pretty good. Pretty up high, so doing those. Cougar's being a bit nosy now. He's just sorting out his brakes. Covering the back up just because Repco couldn't deliver the goods for us. Let me get some zoom on the sucker. Oh yeah. The brake there.
See, he's not photogenic.
Is
not ready for the vlog.
It's leaking out on the other side. So he's ordered a new one, but
Will, you're missing
I'll be here for a while.
action shots right now. I feel like quite a mechanic at the moment. Like getting all dirty.
I like to put stuff online.
Okay,